have to tell you.
To see my BS reaction.
What was that? How can I be a good boy if you won't even let me sip and open your own doors for you?
What are you doing? How many times have I told you? Pretty girls, don't touch doors.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I went in.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get into the truck.
No. Do not touch the door handle like that.
You need to
Wow. So you're independent now.
No, I'm just opening my door.
Exactly. What'd you say?